Pilipino dito sa bansa natin, ipinagdiriwang na po yung Pasko.
Carry, a spin, and then flip.
Nakakatuwa to dance and make up a dance. It's fun.
Dati pa lang, gusto kong sumayaw ng ganyan. Pero hindi ako pinalagay sa ballet class, hindi ako natutong sumayaw, kahit interpretive dance, pero pag mag-isa ako sa bahay, lagi ko siyang ginagawa.
First time mo ba to?
First time.
I feel like it's like a big thing. It's like a big thing in my life.
She's really easy to work with. And she actually knows how to like move when I'm throwing her in the air and stuff, so it's easy.
We made a dance! Mom, we made a dance! Tuwang-tuwa po kami mag-ensayo at excited po kami para sa production na magaganap. This is exciting.
Paano nga kaya mapapagtagumpayan ng house